Guys, I can't get one.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have some very special guests. Guess who? The Stella Twins! What are we filming today, guys?
So Magaly thought it would be cool to try TikTok snacks.
Because we're TikTokers.
And we're gonna be just putting everything together. According to Magaly, this is gonna be a bomb snack. Everything in this table. Creo que nos va a hacer una buena limpia.
Buen
Yeah,
churros.
we get churros. It's it was time for like a limpia in my stomach.
Yeah, it's summer, you know, we gotta look good.
Yeah,
We gotta throw toda la mala.
And yeah, guys,
Yes, we're excited. So
we're excited.
we're gonna show you guys what we're gonna be making. So this is what we're making. Ahora vamos a lavar los pepinos, cada quien va a lavar su pepino.
A ver.
¿Lo quieres?
I'm gonna teach Magaly how to cut a cucumber, okay? So lo agarras esta mano y con esta, le haces así, okay? This is the Kylie Jenner way, guys. This is
Kendall.
the best. Oh, Kendall, sorry. I was gonna give them, we're gonna pass the knife to Magaly.
Okay.
Let's see if she learned.
You cannot get married.
Oh wow!
Oh, wow.
I'll watch the video 20 times.
Okay.
No fue even, pero oh!
I took cooking class 2 years.
Okay, a ver, oh! Wow!
Let me get that truck away.
Ese pepino salió defectuoso.
Como yo.
And now we have cream cheese, pepinos, y hot Cheetos. Ready?
Right.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Wait.
This is good.
Guys, I don't really like cream cheese, but this is
There's a
good
day.
taste.
Guys, based on the consistency,
how much would you rate? How?
I give it an 8. I give it
Okay.
an 8.5. It's pretty good. It's really good.
6.5. Well, let's go to the next one. Alright, so estamos calentando la maruchan.
A ver cómo la chef.
I gave you $5 here.
Oh, hell no.
El huevo se me...
El huevo se salió.
Se me salieron los huevos.
I feel like it looked brownish. Ours does not look brownish.
I think we went wrong when we trusted Magaly.
Guys, we're gonna rewatch the video porque no estamos muy seguros de sobre esa receta.
Oh, it's because they had the bulldog one.
Oh.
Oh yeah, they had different flavor. Oh,
Bueno,
it's chicken.
I don't know what we did wrong, pero
But it's ramen, you know, and it doesn't look that bad. It could look worse, guys.
Okay.
Okay, no more cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Okay.
Okay.
That's interesting. Oh, it doesn't taste like delicious, but it's not bad. I only got the cheese, so Magaly got yolk, so I wouldn't eat that.
No se lo
I didn't
recomiendo.
try.
Bueno, maybe con los hot Cheetos que le agregué sabe más rico. Pero personalmente no me gustó. Solo voy a dar un 3.
Maybe a 5. Maybe like a 5.
¿Tú?
It's alright.
De 1 al 10.
A 5.
¿Un 5?
Because the flavors, I don't know, the flavors are like, maybe, I think we did it wrong.
Yeah.
Because hers, the video looked good.
We got the wrong ingredients.
And she also missed truffle oil.
Yeah. Sorry for my vegan.
Vegan butter?
Pero bueno, our next one va a ser the Barbie mac and cheese.
Ooh, I'm excited for that.
Ok, ahora vamos a hacer el
Barbie.
Originalmente íbamos a hacer el
todo
Barbie
de scratch.
pasta, pero no encontré unos ingredientes y dije, pues, ¿por qué no pintamos nada más la pasta rosita?
Yeah.
Y ya. Bueno, primero vamos a echarle yo creo que mantequilla, poquito. Bueno, yo pongo el mac and cheese, me gusta echarle mantequilla.
Un poquito, güey.
The moment we've all been waiting for.
Time to try the magic.
The magic.
Oh, that's too much.
Ay,
Te pasas, güey. Creo que tiene tapadera.
No, hombre, puras fallas con
no, así nunca, güey. That's it.
Let's see. Tenemos smoothie de mac and cheese. ¿Qué quieres? Caldo, güey, caldo.
Smoothie, smoothie.
No.
Cheers, guys.
Alright, cheers.
Video de macaroni.
Ay, güey. It doesn't taste bad.
Doesn't taste bad. Taste bad. No tiene sabor.
No tiene sabor, como que levanta sabor. No hemos pegado ni una, güey. Hey, that almost bombed the cucumber. You know why it almost bombed? Because Magaly didn't cook it.
True.
Was this the last snack?
No, you have one last one.
Okay. So Magaly has one chance to redeem herself, guys.
Let me try.
She has one chance to redeem herself.
If not, alright, let's go to the next one. Que es Takis, Maruchan y corn. Okay.
Alright.
El siguiente va a ser esquite con Maruchan. Ok, vamos a agregarle el
chicken bouillon.
ajá para ponerle sabor. Sorry, guys.
Mira, y que yo no sabía abrirlo. Ahora el elote, poquito nomás, no sé.
Porque me va a comer el resto.
Okay, sí.
Okay.
Looks good.
Looks good.
That's like heartburn.
I love heartburns. I love me some heartburns.
We love some churro. ¡Viva churro! Ok, ¿listos?
Okay, ¿listos? Alright.
Yo con Taki. Ok.
Uy.
Qué agresividad.
¿Qué?
Agresividad. Ok, salud.
Ok, salud. Okay, para la salud. Para la
Chorro.
Is this the best one you've done, Magaly? Tenemos que tener la opinión de Alex. Ningún platillo puede pasar sin la prueba de Alex. Pásale, jefe.
Nasty bitch.
So,
Good.
Alex, like my favorite part of this was the corn.
Yeah, it is. Alright, guys. Thank you guys.
No, this is not my channel.
Alright, guys. This is the end of the video. Guys, thank you for being in the video. I hope you guys.
Thank you for cooking. You actually did. At the end, she surprised us. She won my heart. 10 out of 10. She came in with a bam, guys.
I did. So ya saben, cuando quieran, yo les cocino cuando ustedes
Oh,
quieran.
do you also offer catering for parties?
Lo que ustedes dicen. But thank you guys. Make sure you guys check them out on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, y OnlyFans. But anyways, thank you guys for tuning in. I love you guys. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Anyways, at this point of view.
Bye.
Bye.
See you never, guys.
Say bye.
Bye.